Nestled along the St. Johns River, Green Cove Springs offers a mix of quiet neighborhoods, scenic beauty, and a growing community. But as the area continues to thrive, homeowners are noticing a rise in traffic, construction, and general activity. For many, maintaining a peaceful home environment has become a priority, and noise-reducing windows are proving to be one of the most effective solutions. Modern noise-reducing windows are designed not only to block unwanted sound but also to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and home value. Here's how these innovative window systems can transform your Green Cove Springs home into a calm, relaxing retreat. Understanding the need for sound control even in a charming town like Green Cove Springs, noise pollution can affect daily life. Whether it's passing vehicles on Highway 17, neighborhood landscaping, or outdoor events downtown, unwanted noise can seep into your home through older or poorly insulated windows. Traditional single-pane windows do little to stop these sounds. In contrast, modern soundproof or noise-reducing windows are built to block and absorb sound vibrations, making your interior significantly quieter. This upgrade is especially valuable for families, remote workers, or anyone who values restful sleep and peaceful living spaces. How noise-reducing windows work? Noise-reducing windows don't just rely on thicker glass, they use a combination of design elements to minimize sound transmission. Their effectiveness is measured by a Sound Transmission Class (STC) rating. The higher the number, the better the noise reduction. While standard windows average around 25 to 28 STC, advanced noise-reducing models can achieve ratings of 35 to 50 or higher. Here's what makes them so effective. Laminated glass. 2 glass layers are bonded with a clear interlayer that dampens sound waves. This layer absorbs vibrations before they reach your home's interior. Double or triple panes. Multiple glass layers with air or gas fills between them reduce noise and improve energy efficiency. Insulated frames. High-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames prevent vibrations from traveling through the structure. Tight seals. Professionally installed weather stripping eliminates small gaps where sound could leak in. Together, these features create a powerful barrier against noise while maintaining a sleek, stylish look. Window styles that enhance quiet living. When choosing noise-reducing windows for your Green Cove Springs home, the right style makes a difference in both performance and appearance. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward and seal tightly when closed, providing excellent sound insulation. Their compression locking system ensures minimal air and noise infiltration, ideal for rooms facing streets or high-traffic areas. Double-hung windows. Modern double-hung windows feature dual sashes with advanced insulation and laminated glass. They're perfect for achieving sound reduction while maintaining traditional aesthetics common in Green Cove Springs homes. Picture windows. If you love your outdoor views but want peace indoors, picture windows with laminated or acoustic glass are the answer. They don't open, which means fewer gaps for noise to penetrate. Sliding windows. Sliding windows offer wide openings for airflow while maintaining tight seals when closed. When fitted with soundproofing materials, they're a great blend of convenience and comfort. Added benefits beyond noise reduction. Noise-reducing windows bring more than tranquility. They also enhance your home's efficiency, durability, and overall appeal. Energy savings. Dual or triple pane designs with low E coatings help regulate indoor temperature and reduce energy bills. UV protection. These windows block harmful rays that fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Storm resistance. Many soundproof window models are also impact resistant, adding protection during Florida's storm season. Increased home value. Energy efficient, sound-reducing windows appeal to future buyers who appreciate comfort and quiet. In short, you'll enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home while saving money and increasing your property's long-term value. Professional installation makes the difference. To get the full benefits of noise-reducing windows, professional installation is key. Expert installers in Green Cove Springs ensure a perfect fit, tight sealing, and weatherproofing for maximum sound and energy performance. They'll also help you select the best glass options and frame materials suited for the area's humid, subtropical climate, ensuring your investment lasts for decades. Final thoughts in Green Cove Springs, where community life and natural surroundings create a lively backdrop. Your home should still be a place of calm and comfort. Noise-reducing windows provide that balance, protecting you from outside disturbances while maintaining energy efficiency and style. Whether you're upgrading for peace, value, or performance, replacing your old windows with noise-reducing ones is an investment that pays off in tranquility and long-term satisfaction. With professional installation and modern technology, you can enjoy the serenity you deserve, no matter what's happening outside.